This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
I appear for CBI. I submitted the status report with the specifics.
Millet,
ইন্সপেক্টর ও অ্যান্টি করাপশনের যে
আমার কেন ফল করছে পাগল নাকি তুমি? This is my appeal. কি করবো?
yes
Millet, I am challenging the order passed by the learned single judge, manner and the way this has been, the investigation was handed over to the CBI. Although Millet, the CBI has ended up this investigation and filed the report by form of a charge sheet. I believe what is not charge sheet. I'm sorry.
Sanction.
Only for the sanction. In respect of the Millet, respondent number 4 hearing. But kindly have a look. The manner, Millet, this has been dealt with. Millet, prior to that, I just give a factual background of the case. Yes. Millet, two things. There is an allegation against Millet, some of the person, that they are taking the money from the market in lieu of the job. Millet, as and when we have received the Millet complaint, Millet, we have started a case. Millet, Lordship would see the impugned paragraph, impugned judgment is that starts from the 112 onwards.
there were 2 writ petitions.
There were possibly 2 writ petition, 1 writ petition has been withdrawn. I have seen in the page number 113.
So this is this writ petitioner in he appeared. Who is the advocate of the writ petitioner?
I am the advocate of the writ petitioner.
Writ petitioner, which advocate appeared? You are the CBI, na?
No.
No.
He appear on behalf of the petitioner.
I am the writ petitioner, my lord, victim writ petitioner, my lord. At my instance, my lord, the CBI investigation was ordered. And my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, only one thing, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, it was submitted by Mr. Sengupta that he is aggrieved by the observation made by the learned single judge.
Correct,
He is
Millet, correct.
not placing
Correct.
the appeal on merit.
No, correct.
Otherwise, my lord,
correct.
he cannot maintain the appeal.
No, I
Let him address on this issue.
Millet,
Whether or
I,
not the
since the
observation
appeal
is-
is on the board, I cannot maintain the appeal.
Yes.
We have not heard him also.
Yes.
Today we are hearing.
Just pointing out to your lordship, my lord, that was the last of the occasion, my lord, he submitted that.
On the basis of the writ court order, investigation was handed over to CBI.
In
Correct.
CBI has already conducted investigation, filed the charge sheet.
No.
Not
No.
filed the charge sheet.
CBI could-
CBI concluded the investigation, asked for a sanction
Asked for a sanction.
from the Honorable Speaker because the main accused was an MLA.
my lord, the sanction has been
Sanction
granted
has
by the
been
court.
granted under section 19 of
Now,
the
my lord, as on date, my lord, sanction has been. My lord, as on date, my lord, sanction has been
MLA, respondent number 6.
6. My lord, as on date, my lord, sanction has been granted by the court, and he is no more in this world. Say respondent number 6. Now, my lord, there are other accused. But so far as respondent number 6 is concerned, he.
When did he expire?
my lord, on the
Just
last-
before the day, just after the
last-
day we took the adjournment.
Yes, on the last day, my lord, you last heard the matter. Next day, he expired. And more so, my lord, so far.
Tiwari, the other persons concerned in the investigation are not parties to the present proceedings.
No.
We are only concerned.
Yes. And only one thing, my lord. My lord, so far as my lord, this officer is conduct, my lord, he has not placed it on merit. Till date, my lord, all documents has not been handed over to the CBI.
We've seen that in the report.
I will deal
Yes,
with.
addresses.
Now, Millet, kindly take trouble to see, Millet, page 112. What is troubling
What
me,
is
Millet?
the hot haste in this matter?
Yes, Millet.
Why we are taking it up so early? You can wait. You can wait till after vacation.
No, Millet, two things.
We are taking up motions which are pending in the list. So can you not wait till the reopening?
Because
This will take some time, na? You will make your
not
argument.
much, Millet, not much. If your lordship so desire to take sit up after the vacation, I have nothing to say. Only 2 things I would like to point it
There
out.
is no urgency involved, na? You are only concerned with the caustic remarks according to you
Who is
which
my
were
client?
made against the officer.
Mr. Sengupta,
Mr. Booth.
you
You are-
address us.
I'm sorry,
Address
Milord.
us.
Why you are looking that side?
No, no, Milord, this sometimes we have to respond to the sledgings. We have learned from the cricket field.
No, this is not the cricket field.
No, it is not, Milord. Sometimes it has to be.
No, don't.
I'm sorry, Milord. Yes, Milord.
Your appeal is limited to the remarks made, caustic remarks against you. You can't challenge the transfer
This
of
is
the case.
no,
from the
no.
ACB
This
to
is
CBI.
correct, Milord. Correct. Your Lordship is absolutely correct.
What is the urgency in that?
Two things I would like to point it out. The remarks which has been made by the Milord learned single judge, and on that score, the matter has been transferred to the CBI. Milord Lordship knows two things. One, the registration of the arrest, then come the question of arresting a person. Arresting a person is not at all a mandatory. The single judge proceeded on the basis, since we have not arrested the person, therefore this is the good ground to
Which paragraph?
38
caustic
onwards. Kindly come.
Huh?
38, page 38. Paragraph 38, which is starts at Milord from, wait a minute. Yes, 129 onwards. Think Milord,
We keep
before,
it on the reopening date.
not even exactly on the reopening date, one day after the reopening.
We have heard the learned advocate.
Milord, kindly also direct them to hand over the documents.
Milord,
That's
since
of
they
the-
have,
No,
I am asking
we have
myself,
report.
since they have concluded the investigation,
No,
and this
not
matter is
concluded.
under the challenge, Milord, I am challenging the whole order.
No. You
No,
are saying only the remarks
No,
against you.
on that,
You are not challenging the factum of transfer of the case from you to CBI.
Milord,
So you hand over the case.
Milord, I have to, since it is the observation of your lordship,
do it
but
now.
I am not challenging the part of this order. I am challenging the order as a whole. Now, this is one part.
What kind of submission?
This is number one.
Mr. Sengupta, kindly appreciate. Reed Court has issued substantially two directions.
Correct.
One is transferred and conclude, and the other is your officer may not have acted in terms of the regards of the statute
Lord-
which he ought to have.
Correct.
Okay,
Lordship, absolutely. Lordship,
So your argument will be that my work can be criticized, but I cannot be held up to a person having collusion or any other nexus with the alleged culprits.
Correct.
That will be your argument.
correct. That apart.
So now when the investigation has proceeded, you are not standing in the way of investigation.
Certainly not.
So
Certainly not.
Then what is the problem in handing over the document?
Very well. I will be handing over. Since the two things. Since this is fallen.
Mr. Chakraborty, which document do you require?
Milord, actually, the report actually reveals
Now you are no longer
the
in.
case diary and other documents are not handled.
They have concluded
That is the
these
report.
investigations.
Then Mr.
But the other
Chakraborty,
accused are there. Apart from Tapos Saha, there are other accused.
the investigation pertaining to all the accused has been concluded, and it was sent.
Not concluded all the accused, but other
Wait
documents. It is still going on because your lordships are aware. When we get a sanction under Section 19 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, then we file the charge sheet or a supplementary charge sheet.
Hmm.
That is the procedure.
Hmm.
Previous sanction is necessary. That we have obtained from the speaker. That is speaker's
So
sanction.
is sanction required from the any other?
No, they are the
Yes.
private one.
Only the private.
Only on
Only on
Christian
the
houses.
MLA. On the MLA, that is
So
speaker.
now you can proceed.
Yes.
So which documents are lying with him?
Mainly case diary and other relevant documents which have been disclosed in the report.
So Mr. Sengupta, why you are not handing over those documents?
Milord, if your lordship,
Because-
because I have communicated the CBI that since we have challenged the order as a whole, Milord, therefore we are not handing over. This is number one.
You are challenging the handing over of investigation to CBI.
Yes, as a whole.
So,
Because two things. One, there is a parameter set by the Supreme Court. Lordship knows far better than I do. In what manner the CBI can investigate.
Arey sir,
On
you
the last
are
question, what is
the
your submitted,
accused.
Milord?
Mr.
You are
Tiwari,
the
kindly have a look.
officer.
You are changing
wait.
your stand.
Judge,
I am not changing. This
Yes.
is my appeal is there. I am not changing my stand.
Mr. Sengupta, you are from the very inception we have been hearing this,
Smile.
that please expunge the remarks against my officer.
This is one. Second of all, Lordship kindly test.
The second which you are arguing, you cannot argue that.
No, Milord,
You were an investigating officer. How
Correct,
can
Milord.
you say don't take away the investigation from me and give it to CBI?
Very well, Milord, kindly appreciate what is my understanding. Kindly appreciate for a moment, Milord. Milord, today this order, if I don't, Milord, Lordship kindly takes it up this one and read as a whole. This will be treated as a precedent in order to, Milord, handing over the investigation to the CBI. Milord, I have challenged the same, Milord, because of the reason that it should not be treated as a precedent. This is the one things, because this will become a,
That will be considered.
that's it,
If we ultimately expunge the remarks,
right?
then this instance will not be treated as a precedent or not. We will consider.
Very well, that is what I'm on, Lordship. Kindly, yes.
So then why you are not sending the documents to them?
Lordship, I am sending it.
Is it with you?
We require 3-4 days, Milord. We will be handing over.
Sir, kindly see when the order was passed.
Yeah.
18th,
Wait,
18th
sir.
of April 2023.
And what is the locus of Mr. Tiwari?
I am the person, the victim.
No, he is not the FIR. He is not the Milord accused, or he is not the Milord de facto complainant over here. Mr. Tiwari is not the de facto complainant, Milord.
I am the victim.
No, it is not. Milord, not at his instant, Milord, any complaint was started. Oh.
Only 11:30.
Copy.
You should have raised your voice after 2 p.m. Here in the morning session of the Mr. Chakraborty, whom the papers has to be handed over.
Milord, actually the report reveals the case
To whom
diary.
he will hand over.
Case diary.
To whom?
Milord, the SP CBI anti-corruption branch.
So we give it, he will hand over just now to you. Finished, we will record.
To us.
Just now.
Your advocate on record.
Milord, whatever records we have, that is an incomplete record. There are 3-4 things which we have collected from the Malkhanas, like the mobiles and other things. So, Milord, we have to collect it and then we can hand it over. That's the whole difficulty.
No, they are wanting to hand over the case diary.
Oh yes,
along with
we
the
have to, Milord, we have to tally with the Malkhana's record and then we can hand it over. There are some documents and instruments like phones. These documents are there. I am not standing in the way, Milord, to handing over. Lordship, kindly direct. I will be do so.
Yes, to whom he will be giving?
Superintendent of Police Anti-Corruption Branch CBI, who has affirmed this affidavit of status report.
Able to shop record case diary along with other relevant records of RCC specification.